Okay, I will be doing an overview of this plastic welder kit that I got off of Amazon. I also ordered a kit that has several staples that did not come with this. This kit does come with some staples and some, I believe this is stainless steel mesh. Some plastic. Looks like some type of heat tape. Sandpaper. Some diagonal cutters. And a stainless steel brush. Okay, so I will be trying to repair this handle on this trash can. As you can see, the blue, I tried with a different plastic, just only plastic, and it immediately failed. I'm not sure if it was just the plastic, the different type of plastics, or what, or I didn't have anything to stabilize it. But it looks a little too thin to use the staples, so I'll actually be using this mesh. The shape is really awkward, so I'll just do my best and see if I could repair this. I'll be using the iron. It has this flat tip on there, I'm guessing to help move it around. I've seen some other ones where you can buy different tips, but this is probably good for now. This is a quick little fix. Alright, the light's on, so you can see it that good. But as soon as you plug it in, it turns on. So now we just wait. Take this mesh. I'm not sure how much I'll need. Right here. In all the videos I've seen, it seems your goal is just to melt this into it about halfway. Yeah, that looks like okay. The problem is this moving around on me while I'm trying to melt it into it. So I'm wondering if I'll have to tack it kind of like welding, which pretty much I'm doing. Let's see if it's hot enough. Nope. Okay, it seems to be pretty hot and ready to go. The issue is this thing is kind of wobbly. It's not that stable. And also, I don't know if you see the fumes coming off it. As soon as you touch any plastic, it gets stuck to it, and the fumes come off of it. So I have a mask on right now. So I guess let me pull out one of these. Get some on here maybe. I'm just trying to put it in place as best I can first. Look at that. I would recommend to have maybe something to wipe this off. Doesn't look too pretty, but it's just a simple utility trash can I used to clean the yard with. Okay, not too bad. Doesn't look too great, but I care more about the stability of it, and this definitely feels like it's gonna hold pretty good. So with the amount of money and time I spent, it's definitely worth it. I have several plastic things that I need repair that have tape on it, different type of things, that this device is definitely going to be worth it.